Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Steam on MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to open our Safari browser. Here, enter any search engine, and I think I will go for Google. Now find the Steam and make sure that's their official website. It should look like this. Open it. Then in the top right corner there's Install Steam, green button, click on them and then install it. Let's allow the installation. In the bottom down corner you can see the downloads, click on that. Here's steam.dmg and we want to click on that. Move Steam to your applications folder like this. And this should already start the installation process. Or if I misclicked, let's try it again. Okay, I misclicked, sorry. So okay, I didn't. So let's stop it and move on to our application folder. You can find it in the Go, and here it is. And there's Steam. We can double click on it to open the app. So when it's ready with installation, now you can log into your account using credentials. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.